Happy New Year. So Englishpedia just completed a year on this platform that is so lovely and so pleasant. I am so happy. I'm so grateful. I'm speechless. I don't have any words to, express my thoughts to you all, but that's so lovely. Thank you so much for all the love and support you gave me. Thank you really very much. So people here on this channel, I'm Mia Tripathi. You're watching me on Englishpedia. If you subscribe this channel and click the bell icon next to it, you'll get notifications related to this channel that will be, I think, beneficial for you all. So now further ado, let's dive in. Someone, Tanmay Sharma, told me to make a video on Can and Could, so here I am. And also if you want to whole course of 30 days or 10 days on English, like free course on YouTube, you can just comment it below and I'll be there for it. And now let's dive into the topic of Can and Could. Can and Could को समझने के लिए समझ लो, Could सबसे उनका बड़ा भाई है. पता है कैसे? जैसे कोई फंक्शन पार्टीज वगैरह होते हैं हमारे घर में, जो गेस्ट होते हैं उनको कौन अटेंड करता है? हमारे बड़े घर के बड़ा भाई, राइट? सो Could ना फॉर्मल सेंटेंसेस, जैसे आप ऑफिशियली किससे बात कर रहे हैं तो कोड यूज होता है. कैन इनफॉर्मल है. सो कैन एंड कोड मॉड्यूल वर्ब्स के बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक हैं. आप सबको पता होगा कि अगर उसको हमको नेगेटिव में बनाना है तो कैन नॉट या कैंट लिख देते हैं या कुड नॉट कुडंट लिख देते हैं. और अगर हमको क्वेश्चन बनाना होता है तो उन दोनों को आगे लाके हम क्वेश्चन बनाते हैं, लाइक कैन यू पास मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, कुड यू पास मी अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर, राइट? सो नाउ अब हम इनको डीपली समझते हैं. द वेरी वन इज कैन. द वेरी फर्स्ट वन इज प्रेजेंट एबिलिटी. प्रेजेंट एबिलिटी मतलब आप ये चीज़ यू आर एबल टू डू दिस वर्क. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम एबल टू स्पीक, दैट इज वट आई कैन स्पीक, राइट? सो लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन सम ऑफ द एग्जाम्पल्स टू इट. ही कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश, दैट इज वट ही इज एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश, राइट? द सेकेंड वन इज he can swim, that is what he is able to swim. Let's go to the second U. One is request. For example, can you please pass me a glass of water? Can you give me this book? Can you pass me a pen? That is what requesting, asking for something, right? The third use is asking permission. So let's have a look on some of the examples of it. Can I leave work early today? Can I take you to home? Can I have my dinner? Fourth use is permitted and prohibited. Permitted का मतलब होता है आपने अलाउंस दी है, परमिशन दी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन टेक द कार इफ़ यू वॉन्ट, यू कैन हैव दिस बुक फॉर अ डे इफ़ यू वॉन्ट. प्रोहिबिटेड मतलब अलाउंस ना देना, परमिशन ना देना, जो कि हमेशा नेगेटिव में होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू कैन नॉट टेक दिस कार, यू कैन नॉट हैव दिस बुक, you cannot touch that pen. I hope you got it. Fifth and the last use is certain about something in the present. Like for example, Meera is a doctor. No, she can't be a doctor. She was in engineering. So that means that person cannot believe that, how she is a doctor. She was doing engineering. She was in engineering. So how she can go to medical side? That is basically you're not sure. For example, someone says me, Meenal, I saw you in the market today. So how can you see me in the market? I was not there. I was at my home. I was studying. That is basically you're certain ये हो ही नहीं सकता, ये कैसे हो गया. So now let's move to could. बड़ा भाई. The first use is past ability. जैसे present ability थी वैसी past ability. When I was 5 years, I could swim. When I was 10, I could read my books. I hope you got it. नहीं. The second use is request, same like the can one. Request but in polite and formal way, right? The can was in informal way. For example, could you please pass me a glass of water? Could you please pass me that pen? Could you please give me this book? The third use is asking permission, same like the can one, but once again in a polite and a formal manner. For example, could we stop by next week? Fourth use is suggesting possibilities. This is something new from the can one. For example, you could ask your doctor for a checkup. The fifth use is present and future possibilities. Okay? Present and future, not past possibilities, present and future possibilities. For example, she could be in the bathroom or she could be in the kitchen. पूछते हैं ना कि मीनल कहाँ गई? She would be in the bathroom or she would be in the kitchen. So basically that is a possibility. She is giving a possibility that वो हो सकती है वहाँ या फिर वो वहाँ हो सकती है. That is a present and future possibility. Sixth use is पास्ट पॉसिबिलिटीज़, आप इसको कह सकते हो इमेजिनरी पॉसिबिलिटीज़ भी हम कहते हैं ना, कि उसने ये चीज़ की पर वो ये भी कर सकती थी, मतलब हो सकता था ये चीज़, है ना। पास्ट के बारे में आप पॉसिबिलिटीज़ बनाते हो कि ये चीज़ हो सकती थी उस टाइम पे, मतलब बट उसने ये चीज़ चूज़ की। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही वुड हैव एस्केप्ड बट ही चूज टू फाइट। अब इसका जो फॉर्मूला होता है ना, दैट इज could plus have plus verbs third form, could plus have plus verbs third form. Seventh and the last use is certain about the past. As we discussed in the can, certain about the present, same here with the past. This is used in negative form, okay. So for example, Kiara couldn't have taken your notebook, she wasn't even in the class yesterday. So this is basically कह रहे हैं कि मतलब वो नोटबुक ले ही नहीं सकती, वो तो क्लास में थी नहीं कल, मतलब दैट इज सर्टन कि वो थी नहीं, तुम कैसे कह सकते हो। तो मतलब यू आर वेरी सर्टन कि वो चीज़ हो ही नहीं सकती। दैट इज इन द नेगेटिव। वंस अगेन आई रिपीट, द रूल ऑफ दिस इज could not is what? Negative form of could. So couldn't plus have plus verbs, third form again. So couldn't plus have plus verbs, third form. That's it for today's video. I hope you have liked this video and keep suggesting me for the contents and the videos. I am gonna definitely make the videos on it. Thank you so much again. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next one.